Want to make your room look more aesthetic, cozy, and expensive without spending a fortune? You don't need a complete renovation or expensive designer furniture. In today's video, we're sharing 20 easy DIY room decor ideas that can completely transform your space using simple materials, creative styling, and a little imagination. From cozy lighting and personalized wall art to clever storage and Pinterest-inspired decorations, these ideas are perfect for bedrooms, apartments, dorm rooms, and small spaces. Let's start the makeover. Sparkles Idea 20. DIY Photo Wall. Number 20. Create a DIY photo wall. Choose your favorite travel photos, family memories, artwork, or aesthetic prints and arrange them into a clean grid or creative collage. For a more sophisticated look, keep the frames in the same color. Framed Picture Idea 19. DIY Minimalist Wall Art. Number 19. Make your own minimalist wall art. You can create simple abstract shapes using inexpensive canvas and paint. Choose neutral colors like cream, beige, brown, or soft black for a modern aesthetic. The key is to keep the design simple. Light Bulb Idea 18. DIY Fairy Light Display. Number 18. Upgrade your room with warm string lights. Instead of randomly hanging them everywhere, carefully frame your headboard, mirror, window, or photo wall. Warm lighting instantly creates a cozy atmosphere. Mirror Idea 17. DIY Decorative Mirror. Number 17. Turn a basic mirror into a statement piece. Add a simple DIY frame using wood, molding, or another decorative material. A large mirror can also make a small room feel brighter and more spacious. Herb Idea 16. DIY Plant Corner. Number 16. Create a small indoor plant corner. Use a combination of floor plants, hanging plants, and small potted plants. If you don't have enough natural light, realistic faux plants can still add color and texture. Bed Idea 15. DIY Headboard. Number 15. Create your own headboard. A simple upholstered panel or wood design behind the bed can completely change the room's focal point. Choose a neutral fabric for a soft luxury aesthetic. Basket Idea 14. DIY Basket Storage. Number 14. Upgrade your storage with matching baskets. Use inexpensive baskets to hide blankets, accessories, books, or everyday clutter. The trick is to group similar items together so the room looks intentionally organized. Cloud Idea 13. DIY Cloud Light. Number 13. Create a dreamy cloud-inspired light feature. Soft, diffused lighting can turn an ordinary bedroom into a relaxing nighttime retreat. Keep the lighting subtle rather than extremely bright. Candle Idea 12. DIY Cozy Candle Display. Number 12. Create a simple candle display. Place candles on a decorative tray with a small vase, books, or other accessories. Use different heights to create visual depth. Books Idea 11. DIY Floating Shelf. Number 11. Install a floating shelf. It's perfect for small rooms because it gives you storage without taking up valuable floor space. Style it with books, plants, framed artwork, and a few decorative objects. Remember, don't overcrowd it. Teddy Bear Idea 10. Create a cozy reading corner. Number 10. Turn an unused corner into a cozy reading area. All you need is a comfortable chair, a small side table, a soft blanket, and warm lighting. Even a tiny corner can become one of the most inviting parts of your room. Paint Palette Idea 9. DIY Accent Wall. Number 9. Create a DIY accent wall. You can use paint, removable wallpaper, wood slats, or simple geometric patterns. For a sophisticated look, choose one wall instead of decorating every wall differently. Wood Idea 8. DIY Wood Wall Detail. Number 8. Add a simple wood feature. Vertical wood strips can make ceilings appear taller and add warmth to an otherwise plain room. Natural wood works especially well with neutral furniture and soft textiles. Couch and lamp idea 7. Layer your bedding. Number 7 doesn't require building anything. Simply layer your bedding. Combine different textures, pillows, and a throw blanket to make the bed look fuller and more luxurious. This is one of the easiest ways to upgrade your bedroom. Framed picture idea 6. DIY gallery wall. Number 6. Create a gallery wall. Mix artwork, photographs, typography, and simple illustrations. To keep the arrangement looking cohesive, repeat 1 or 2 colors throughout the collection. Potted plant idea 5. DIY hanging plant display. Number 5. Use vertical space with hanging plants. This is especially useful in small bedrooms where floor space is limited. Hang plants at different heights to create a layered, organic look. And there you have it, 20 DIY room decor ideas that can make your space feel more stylish, cozy, personalized, and expensive without a huge budget. You don't need to use all 20. Start with 2 or 3 ideas that match your style and build from there. Speech balloon. Which DIY idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more room makeovers, aesthetic decor ideas, organization hacks, and modern home inspiration. Your dream room doesn't have to cost a fortune, it just needs a little creativity.